Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in this today's look I'll have for you this very beautiful 80s retro colorful makeup look. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 11 Medium Brown. Then I have sculpted them up with my Usa's liquid concealer in the shade Fair. I have prepared my lid with the same concealer and then I have set up my concealer with my Kylie Girl to Color Powder Cake, a purse powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this today's look, my friends, I will have for you a very beautiful 80s look, colorful 80s retro makeup tutorial. I'm starting with my Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation, and this is it. This is the palette, which has very nice blue, fuchsia, green colors. As we have told, it is a colorful look, so I'm gonna start with a green look in the middle of the lid, which is Saturn. Excuse me, it has a mirror. The color is this. This is called the Saturn. It is a very nice green color, which I'm gonna apply with my Cosmo Fan number 110 into the middle of the lid. It is a very nice look, my friends, for you. I really love that. Applying it into the middle of the lid. Beautiful color. Then I will continue with that type of brush and a blue color which is called Neptune. And this is it. This is the blue color which is called Neptune. And I will apply that on the outer corner of my lid. Beautiful color. It is blue like my t-shirt, as you see. The same, exactly the same color. Taking that fluffy brush for the outer corner. And on the inner part of the lid, I will have a nice Venus color, which is a light fuchsia. As we have told, it is a colorful look, and this is it. I will apply that color, which is very beautiful, fuchsia color, into the middle of the lid with exactly a very flat brush. Beautiful, colorful color. As you see, it is very colorful. And now I will have a clear brush like this is a fluffy big brush, so I will smudge the edges to avoid these harsh lines. We need not with color, a very clear brush. So I smudge the edges of these three harsh colors, intense colors. I'm smudging all the edges. And of course, under the brow boring area, I will apply a few of my highlighting powder by Wet n Wild, a few of that, which is a nice pink color, and I will apply that under the brow bone area and on the inner part of the inner lid, a few of that. Let's have some coffee while I'm working, because I need coffee. Going to continue, my friend, with my other eye of camera and coming back. My eyes are ready and now I'm going to wear my false lashes. Of course, I will have first my mascara by Vortex Mon Rive Astonishing Lashes Mascara. I'm taking my lash curler, as you see. I insist some seconds before I apply my false mascara, and in this look we need intense false lashes. Of course, I will have my black mascara. My lashes for that case are they are end long and thick. They are double lashes. I have made it myself. They are two lashes stuck together. I have told you about that. If you want to do something like that, take two pair of lashes and stuck them about with your glue that you use to wear them. Stuck them about 1 day, 24 hours, and watch out, the one is shorter than the other, not in the same shape. So you can stack them about 1 day and then you can wear them. Let's apply our mascara. I don't apply mascara ever after I have worn my false lashes. It is fail. We can ruin our false lashes very easily. So I apply my mascara before, as you see, and then I wear my false lashes. And then at the end of the makeup look, I apply one coat on the bottom lash. As you see, I apply more coat on that case. I will leave them about 1-2 minutes to dry, and then I wear my false lash. My friends, I'm going to continue with my false lashes and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now moving on to the rest of the face. For the first, MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer, Moisturizing Primer. As I have told you many times, I have a combo to dry skin, so I need to moisturize it. Of course, before I have done the whole morning skincare that I'm doing every day, and now I'm continuing with the makeup bases. After my primer, which is important, don't avoid that step because it helps you to apply your foundation better. Continue with my Golden Rose HD High Definition Foundation 115 Golden Base. It is a very nice matte foundation. Applying it with my kabuki brush, and then I will continue to apply that with my beauty blender. You know that. This is the way that I always use. Starting with the kabuki brush and applying it, as you see, pull it down onto the base of the neck. And on the forehead, of course. And continuing with my beauty blender. Of course, after that, continue with my Maybelline Anti-Age Instant Eraser. On the inner part of the lid, it is the Zero Weight Buff. On the outer part, on the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, of course, and on the chin area. And applying this quickly. I have told you many times that the liquid products are getting dry very soon, so we have to apply them really quick. Continuing with our liquid products, cream bronzer, MUA Bronze Cream Bronzer Espresso. Which is this? It is a dark product, but as you see, I'm very tanned. Taking my kabuki brush, applying on the cheek some product, on the forehead, on the nose, and on the jawline. And this, you don't need much because as you see, it is very dark, and starting to apply that very beautiful cream bronzer with my liquid, wet beauty blender. The next step is that I have to apply my MUA Watermelon Liquid Cream Brush with an intense blush. We want to apply some of that on the cheeks directly, of course. It is an intense blush, but as I have told you, don't worry, then we have to apply powdery product, so this is gonna be a very nice result. And of course, our wet brush, wet beauty blender, it's important. What else? Now I'm going to wear my glitter pudding highlighter, which I'm going to apply with the middle of the finger, just a few of that. And this, of course, I will have it with my beauty blender. Continuing with my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Applying over the other, as I always do. Then I'm gonna take my highlighting Scanlon Professional, which is a very nice blush, like the color of the strawberry with highlighter inside, applying some of that onto the cheeks because it is intense. This look by 8 is retro, it is a colorful but intense look. And of course, my Wet n Wild highlighting powder onto the cheeks, onto the bridge of the nose and onto the cupid's bow. Taking my loose powder by MUA and setting up the under eye area. I don't need much powder. And of course, my Usa's pressed powder to set up the whole face. Now I'm going to end up with my under eye area. I'm going to apply the blue color on the bottom eye area. And inside some of the Venus, which is the fuchsia color, we want it colorful. Don't apply some of that other color. One bottom coat on the bottom lashes. We have told that we don't apply many coats of lashes, one coat. And continuing with our lips, Elixir 56 fuchsia color. This is an intense look, and eyes and cheeks and lipstick. Monrive Inky Lips 16, very classic fuchsia lip matte color. And of course the last step is our fixing spray, Eyeshadow Revolution. Fixing spray, peaches and cream. Important step, don't avoid that, don't forget that, because we want our makeup last during the whole day. My friends, this is my complete finished look for you. It is an 80s look, a colorful look, a retro look, my friends. It is a very nice, beautiful makeup tutorial, and if you love blue, fuchsia and green colors, it is matching to you very nicely. My friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!